Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to meet new people and explore the world of online dating? Today I'm gonna show you how to download the Japan dating app on your smartphone. Japan dating app is designed to find your perfect match among Japanese men and women to date, chat, and connect. So we're gonna go through how to download this app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure it is connected to the internet, and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Japan dating app. You will see the Japan dating app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Once you have found the app, tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you can see the install button if you're using an Android or a get button if you are using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. From here, if you already have an account in this app, you can go on and sign in using your credentials. If not, you can easily create a new account by signing up. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Japan dating app on your smartphone. You are now ready to start meeting new people on this app after you log in. Happy dating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.